In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload resume and make visible on LinkedIn. We'll be doing this directly from LinkedIn's Jobs section, which is where the platform stores resumes for job applications and where you can control whether recruiters and hirers can view your resume information. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly where each setting is located so you can update it quickly and make sure your profile is ready for opportunities. To begin, open LinkedIn in your browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main LinkedIn page, look toward the top navigation bar and click on Jobs. This will take you into the area of LinkedIn that focuses on job searching, saved jobs, applications, and career preferences. After you're inside the Jobs section, find and click on Preferences. This is where LinkedIn keeps the settings related to your job search activity. If you're actively applying for roles, this area is especially useful because it lets you manage important details that employers may see when you apply. Inside Preferences, click on Resumes and Application Data. This section is specifically for managing the resumes you've uploaded and the information LinkedIn uses during job applications. If you've uploaded files before, you may see them listed here. If not, this is where you'll add your resume for the first time. Next, click Upload and then select your resume from your computer. Choose the correct file you want to use for applications. Before uploading, it's a good idea to make sure your resume is up to date, clearly formatted, and saved with a professional file name so it's easy to recognize later. Once selected, LinkedIn will upload the file and store it in this section for future use. After your resume has been uploaded, the final step is to turn on the setting to share resume data with hirers. Look for the toggle labeled Share Resume Data with Hirers and switch it on. This makes your resume information more visible in the hiring process, which can help recruiters or employers review your qualifications more easily when considering you for roles. And that's it. You've now uploaded your resume to LinkedIn and enabled the visibility setting that helps make it accessible to hirers. If you update your experience or skills later, remember to come back and upload the latest version so your application materials stay current. Keeping this section updated can make your LinkedIn job search smoother and more effective.